Two giants in online payments, PayPal versus Payoneer. Which one really delivers? On the left, PayPal, trusted payments for everyone, everywhere. On the right, Payoneer, a global financial network for business. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Now, before we jump in, let me show you the mind map of all the categories we're going to cover. We're talking international reach, fees, speed, security and protection, integration for online shops, mass payments, and, of course, usability and features. If you're worried I'll miss something important, don't. It's all right here. So, first up, let's talk about international reach. PayPal's accepted in over 200 markets, with support for 25+ currencies. That's pretty legit, but honestly, it's not totally everywhere. Some countries still have those annoying restrictions. Now, switching to Payoneer. This one's in over 190 countries. And what's super cool is those multi-currency accounts. If PayPal's blocked where you work, chances are Payoneer's still good. But here's the catch. It's not as universally accepted for online shopping. Who takes it at every store? Not really. Still, for getting paid globally, Payoneer pulls ahead on this one. Okay, now everyone wonders about fees, right? With PayPal, you're getting free domestic transfers if you use your bank or balance. That sounds sweet, but wait for it. Try international stuff and the fees start to sting. Almost 2% per transaction, plus those chunky currency conversion charges, you know? And if you're a merchant, you can expect some variable rates depending on how you use it. Now, Payoneer. For Payoneer to Payoneer transfers, it's free. Mass payments or ACH, just 1%, which is honestly great. Plus, the multi-currency wallet helps dodge crazy conversion fees. But there's a yearly inactivity fee if you don't use it much. And credit card payments charge nearly 4%. Even so, Payoneer usually means lower fees. Ready for some speed comparisons? PayPal's got instant transfers if you pay a little fee, and for most stuff, it's settled in 1 business day. That's super fast, right? Sure, that 1.5% instant transfer fee is annoying, but if you're in a hurry, it's worth it. As for Payoneer, transfers to global banks take anywhere from right now up to 3 business days. Not bad at all, but first-time withdrawals can feel like forever, honestly. So yeah, PayPal's quicker for most. You know what? Here's a wild fact. Payoneer actually started out as a cross-border platform just for businesses. Fast forward to now, and it serves over 5 million users worldwide. Talk about growth. Next up, security and buyer or seller protection. With PayPal, you get industry-leading dispute resolution, real chargeback protection, and their fraud monitoring is top-notch. Only issue? Sometimes they'll freeze your account for a review. Kinda scary if you rely on it daily. But let's look at Payoneer. Strong anti-fraud, a dedicated dispute team, decent chargeback help. But here's the big thing. If you're buying goods or services, there's no built-in buyer protection like with PayPal. So for security and peace of mind, PayPal totally steals the show. How about e-commerce and integrations? PayPal is almost everywhere. You've got plugins for all major platforms, easy APIs, and, you can send a payment link or even a QR code to get paid in seconds. The only thing is, if you're a developer, the integrations can get complicated. Switching over, Payoneer's also got plugins and hosted payment pages. Plus, it works well with big marketplaces like Amazon and Upwork. But you're missing out on the no-code stuff. No payment links or QR codes yet. PayPal's just more flexible for sellers and shop owners. Mass payments. Now, that's one where Payoneer really shines. PayPal lets you send out payments in bulk, sure, but honestly, it's just not built for high volume, and the fees ramp up fast. With Payoneer, it's optimized for sending out thousands of payments worldwide without breaking a sweat. Lower fees, more flexibility for businesses. The only real barrier? You gotta verify your business first, which can take some time. But for mass payments, Payoneer is hands down the winner. Finally, let's talk about usability and features. PayPal's interface is super intuitive. There's this pay in 4 thing for splitting up payments. It works with Apple Pay, and pretty much every online merchant takes it. The downer? If PayPal suspects anything weird, your account could get limited, which is a headache. Now, Payoneer, it's sort of geared more toward businesses and freelancers. Multi-currency balances, a free prepaid MasterCard, and the dashboard? It's awesome for managing freelance jobs or company payments, but regular shoppers might find it a bit businessy. So on this one, honestly, it's kind of a tie. Depends on who you are. Picture this. If we mapped out all these categories on a chart, you'd see PayPal dominate in e-commerce, security, and speed, while Payoneer really takes off with international reach and big bulk payments. The gaps are way clearer when you see it visually. If you do a lot of online shopping, or just want to feel super safe buying stuff, PayPal is your go-to. They've nailed protections and e-commerce flows. But if you're running a business, freelancing, or sending lots of international payments, Payoneer's built for you. Each one kinda wins in its own world. Found this guide useful? Honestly, there's always more to compare. So don't forget to explore other platforms and see which fits best for you.